Need to enable or disable Secure Boot on your ASUS motherboard? This video walks you through the setup process step by step. Before you begin, have your BitLocker recovery key ready and suspend BitLocker if it's active. First, power on your system and press Delete repeatedly to enter BIOS.
Press F7 to switch to Advanced Mode. Then go to the Boot tab and select Secure Boot.
To enable Secure Boot, set OS type to Windows UEFI mode. To disable it, switch OS type to Other OS. When enabling Secure Boot, if your system has a CSM option, disable Launch CSM to ensure Secure Boot functions properly.
Then press F10 to save and restart.
To verify the current status in Windows, type msinfo32 in the Windows search bar and check whether Secure Boot state shows on or off.
And that's it! You now know how to enable or disable Secure Boot on your ASUS motherboard. Don't forget to keep Windows updated for the latest security improvements.
Welcome to subscribe to ASUS support channel, like the video, or leave comments below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.